नमस्कार, मैं हूं अशोक व्यास और साई राम के अभिवादन के साथ साई मंदिर बालविन से जब मैं आपसे संबोधित हो रहा हूं तो यह जो विग्रह पीछे है जिसमें शिरडी बाबा मुस्कुराते हुए विशेष आभा के साथ जैसे आज दर्शन दे रहे हैं, उसका एक कारण इस पूरे परिसर में जो उत्सव है उसके मूल में है इस स्थान पर बाबा की सन्निधि के 20 बरस पूरे हो जाना।
ममाग्ने वर्चो विहवेश्वस्तु भजन्त्वेन्धान तनुवं पुषेम मह्यं नमन्दां प्रतिधस्त्यदस्त्रस्त्वयाध्यक्षेण कृतनाजेम मम देवा विहवे सन्तु सर्व इन्द्रावन्तो मरुतो विष्णुरग्निः।
20वीं एनिवर्सरी साई मंदिर बालविन की पूरी श्रद्धा, उल्लास और भक्ति के साथ साथ उमंगों से जो मनाई जा रही है, उसके मूल में इस मंदिर की स्थापना के पीछे जो नूरी फाउंडेशन के डॉक्टर नूरी दत्तात्रेय रहे हैं, उनमें जो विशेष उत्साह और अनुराग है बाबा के प्रेम को लेकर, वो भी संचरित हो रहा है यहाँ पर जो भक्तजन आते हैं उनके भीतर। और किस तरह से 20 वर्षों में ये एक सेकंड होम जैसा बन गया है बहुत सारे श्रद्धालुओं के लिए, वो भी आपको इस रिपोर्ट में जानने को मिलेगा।
Sai Mandir established in 2002 in the North Hemisphere, in North America. This is the first Sai Mandir. The replica of this Sai Baba is very, very resembled to the Sai Baba in Shirdi, because the Shirdi Sai Baba, whose sculpture, his grandson sculptured this auspicious Murti of Sai Baba.
The vibration in this mandir, the attraction of the living Baba here. Pandit Jasraj, one of the devotees said, Pandit Jasraj is in town, he wants to come and visit your mandir, but he is time limitation, he can stay only for 10 minutes. I said, it's not me, tell him whatever time you want to spend. So he came here and he went up the steps, touched Baba's feet, and just sat on these steps and sang bhajans for 1.5 hours. And everybody woke up to it right there. So that is the kind of divine vibration created in this mandir.
I have been visiting Shirdi in Maharashtra for many years, from the days that I was a student, so almost like you. And I can tell you, the feeling I get here is the feeling that I got when I used to visit Shirdi. When I would go to Shirdi in 94, 95, it still used to be a village, even though it was coming up. And for sure, during your time, it would have been still a very small village. Today, of course, it's almost like a big city. We have an airport there, a very sophisticated technology presentation, laser show, so on and so forth. A lot of people visiting Shirdi. I am truly honored that you have created Shirdi, a piece of Shirdi, and got Baba here in the United States. So you being here, and beyond the blessings of Shirdi Sai Baba, you're also doing so much for humanity. Your work in India, Dr. Reddy, your work in India, we are so grateful for your achievements.
रणधीर जायसवाल जी, आप की उपस्थिति न्यूयॉर्क में एक कॉन्सल जनरल ऑफ इंडिया के रूप में तो है ही है, बट यू आर जस्ट अ वेरी अफेक्शनेट एंड सोलफुल कम्युनिटी फ्रेंड, एंड योर प्रेजेंस हियर एट साई मंदिर बालविन, हाउ वाज द फीलिंग फॉर यू? इट वाज a discovery for me to learn that you have been going to Shirdi, and so comparing your experience with that temple. And
it is a real honor, I must say, and it is the blessings of the divine that I am here to participate in the 20th anniversary of Shirdi temple in Long Island. I have been to the Shirdi temple in Shirdi several times to seek the blessings of Sai Baba. And the feeling I have here is exactly the feeling that I have there. So in that sense, there is a very strong direct connect very strong direct linkage between the two places. And I hope this temple will continue to shower its blessings on all the devotees, on everybody around here, and hopefully with the blessings of the Almighty, we will be able to get better of the pandemic, and we all will be happy and healthy. So thank you very much.
This 20th anniversary of this celebration by Dr. Nori and Subhadra and all the other people you are here. Thank you very much for this opportunity.
Sai Ram, I'm so happy to be standing with Padma Shri Dr. Nuri Dattatreya ji, who looks at his devotion for Sai Baba as the topmost award in his life, if I may say, in his presence. And he's sharing that award of love, joy, devotion, Shraddha with one and all through various temples. And this temple celebrated its 20th anniversary today. So let me begin by requesting you to share your feeling how the day has unfolded.
Thank you, Ashok ji. This is a very special day for me and for all Sai devotees here, because this is the first Sai Mandir in the United States. We opened that 20 years ago, and from that point onwards, devotees started coming from all over eastern part of America, and that has led me to establish another center in Islin. But this is the first one in America, and not only the first one, it has a few other features here. That is, there are no board of trustees in our organization. Everything is done by volunteers, service, and Sai Baba is our chairman of the board. He gives us ideas and we implement them. And today is very special because this will rejuvenate the inspiration among all devotees. And as the pandemic rules are slowly eased, people started coming out to the mandir. And I'm very happy to see so many came to take blessings of Baba today. And this is the most wonderful day for me because we also not only have this as the first mandir, but a lot of devotees go up the podium, touch Baba's feet. That's a special feeling for them, to connect to Baba on the podium. So my view is there should not be any middle person between a devotee and God. They should be able to go up the podium, touch Baba's feet, express their suffering, sorrows, happiness, and connect with Baba. And this mandir is especially known for that connection. There's so many Swamijis came from India. Everybody felt the vibration in this mandir is same as in Shirdi. And I always give that one example of Pandit Jasraj. Whoever comes here, Baba selects who comes, who stays, how long we stay. And one of the devotees brought Pandit Jasraj here many years ago. And they told me Jasraj can stay only 15 minutes because he has other appointments. So he will leave the mandir. I said, don't tell me, tell Baba. If he wants to stay, I don't know how long Baba will keep him here. So he came, he went up the podium, touched Baba's feet, and then sat there, right there, and sang bhajans for 1.5 hours. This is, it's an experience. People experience chamatkars, miracles here in this mandir.
I am coming to this mandir more than 12 years. There are so many activities going on in this mandir. Last 19 years, we have Bal Vikas. Every Sunday, more than 75 students get together at this temple, and we teach them the value of our Hindu culture. Again, I thanks Dr. Dattatreya Nuri and Dr. Subhadra Nuri and his family who started this mandir. Baba's teaching, Shraddha and Saburi, is the most important in our life, and it will cherish to everybody. I thank you very much. Thanks.
This is the mandir, this is the only mandir where you are permitted to, allowed to take the blessings from Baba by touching his feet. So that itself gives us extreme pleasure when we go onto the steps and take the blessing from Baba. We are thankful. The mandir, the miracles here. There are so many devotees who come from all over USA, and they come here. They are so focused. They're great devotees, and we have to learn a lot from them. And it's an extraordinary feeling when we meet all the devotees here from all over USA.
Subhadra ji, as 20th anniversary was observed today, what is your experience of the journey of 2 decades, and how harmonious it has been to handle so many aspects?
Yes, it was a wonderful experience. Initially when we started it, we had no idea what we were doing, where we were going. But eventually, with all the devotees' help and then Baba's grace, we were able to achieve a lot of things here, not just from a religious point of view, but also Bal Vikas. Through Bal Vikas, we did a lot of things here. SAT classes, dance classes, music classes, and that's just to name a few. And also we conducted health related activities here. We did influenza vaccines and also blood pressures, blood drive. A multifaceted approach we took, basically to be helpful to the communities. And also we often get a lot of fruits and flowers, so we used to send them to the nursing homes as well. So it was, all in all, a very long and very pleasant journey, and we are glad to be able to help the community this way.
Wonderful. So once again, as I congratulate and express my gratefulness for this wonderful abode, which is a source of solace for many, many devotees, source of love also. And you were mentioning about this chairman of this temple being Baba, and then I was reminded of the chairman of Parikh Worldwide Media and ITV also, Padma Shri Dr. Sudhir Parikh also is Sai Baba's devotee, and he also has an association with the inception of this temple.
Exactly. He's one of the biggest supporters and devotees of Baba, and he is in fact was the chief guest when we inaugurated this mandir 20 years ago, and I want to thank him for that. And this mandir has grown to help, has become a place of worship for all devotees on east coast of America, and a place for peace and tranquility, and almost like a pilgrimage for Sai devotees on the eastern part of America.
And as we conclude, both of you, I got the opportunity of doing a series, Shirdi Sai, Vishwa Sai, wherein we together heard experiences of many devotees who had some miraculous intervention of Baba's grace to resolve some of their impending issues. And the other day I was talking to Dr. Nuri, and he said, Subhadra ji, that Dr. Subhadra now feels that she can connect with Baba anywhere, even if she's not in the temple. You want to say something more on that front?
Yeah, every time I have a troublemaker in the department, I pray to Baba, and within months that troublemaker is gone. So that is I just automatically do that. And there is always His grace on us, without Him, especially now during this COVID, a lot of people got sick in my hospital, my own colleagues. I came out, clean. So everything, is depending on Him.
Namaskar, Jai Sri Sai Ram. I am Kamlesh Mehta, publisher of the South Asian Times. It is my distinct pleasure to be here in Sai Baba Temple in Baldwin to celebrate the 20th anniversary of this temple. It is really heart-touching to see Dr. Nori, who is a world-renowned oncologist Padam Shri. He is such a devotee of Sri Sai Baba, and it shows that of course science has its place in the universe. At the same time, spirituality is also very important. And Dr. Nouri is inspirational and motivational, and he has brought spirituality in the life of many thousands of Indian Americans on Long Island.
Om Sai Ram. This is Chandu and my wife Suma. I would like to share a couple of experiences related to Sai at Baldwin Mandir. So, 16 years ago, I used to come every week all the way from Edison to Baldwin to do seva here. It's from morning, 8 through closing time. At that time, I was strongly praying, Baba, why don't you come to New Jersey so that, I can serve every day instead of weekly. He really blessed us in 2008 with the help of Dr. Nouri sir. He started Islin Temple, and it is very close to our home, 7 miles away. From then onwards, I've been serving each and every day, every minute. Islin Sai Mandir is our first home.
Sairam, my name is Lakshmi. I'm coming from New Jersey. It's been more than 20 years this temple has started, and we have been visiting from inception to this temple from New Jersey and Edison area. So on our request sometime in 2007-2008, the same temple, Dr. Nouri Foundation, has started another one in Islin. So we now go more frequently to that, but we still come here very often. We're so much associated with Baba and also Dr. Nouri and whole family. Thank you so much.
Sai Ram everyone. Congratulations to Baldwin devotees and Sai Bhaktas here. And congratulations to Dr. Garu also. I come often here to have darshan. Whenever we come, we get so much peace here, mental peace, and I just want to sit here and pray, to Baba for some time. And the same Nouri Foundation, we have it in New Jersey also, Sai Mandir USA, and there we take care of that mandir there. So this is a great opportunity to come here and see this 20th anniversary here. We never witnessed anything like this. So this is the blessings of Baba.
Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Sai Ram. My name is Shrisha. I am from New Jersey. I came here to visit Baba today for the 20th anniversary of this mandir. I'm really, really blessed. I feel really blessed to be here.
It's not just a small miracle, but my wife Suma, she's coming from a family, they don't much follow the spiritual activities, but after visiting Islin Mandir every day with me, now she is a staunch devotee of Datta Parampara.
Question, considering the presence of Dr. Nouri Dattatreya, who also was honored as Padma Shri and other awards, but the important thing is such a world-renowned oncologist and such deep and intense devotional side to his personality. What is the lesson for us from that?
Obviously, Dr. Nouri has very high achievements to himself. He's a doctor. In that sense, he's a servant to the humanity. He's done very well for himself. So when you connect with humanity, obviously you also connect with spirituality and with the divine. So that's how I look at it. That what makes him so special, and possibly for all of us to learn from his life. How he's served people, and how possibly his serving the people, he's brought himself close to divinity, and divinity has come close to him.
So Dr. Sahab, I appreciate your time, but last question is 20 years is a milestone, and when you look towards future, anything specific that you have in your mind which you have conveyed to Baba in your silent prayer?
I think the most important thing is the pandemic seems to be over. So I would like to invite all the devotees back to come here and take blessings. That will be my starting point, to give them confidence. Everything is good here, and we follow CDC guidelines strictly. In spite of they're saying we don't need mask, we insist that everybody wears mask here. Thank you.
So that is about the immediate thing, but in general, about the temple and...
In long run, I would like to bring Swamijis from India and arrange discourses at all three temples, and then change the tone of the mandir to a higher level of spirituality.
तो आपने सुने संस्मरण श्रद्धालुओं के और भक्ति के साथ साथ जो भाव श्रद्धा और सबूरी का है, शिरडी बाबा की शिक्षा से जिसका संबंध है, उसको लेकर किस तरह अपने जीवन को और सुंदर और मधुर बनाने के अलावा एक संबल जो श्रद्धालु इस स्थान पर आकर पाते हैं, वहाँ जो भेदभाव है उससे परे एकत्व का जो भाव है, जो कि सनातन परंपरा का मूल भी है और कहीं ना कहीं वो शिक्षाएं जो वेदों, उपनिषदों, भगवत गीता से होती हुई साई चरित्र तक आई हैं, उनको अपनाने में पूरे समर्पण से श्रद्धालु यहाँ आते हैं और साथ ही साथ उनका अपना अपना एक अनूठा विशिष्ट संबंध जो शिरडी बाबा के स्वरूप से है, उसका परिचय भी आपको मिला। और हमारा सौभाग्य था कि आज के इस कार्यक्रम में जहाँ विमोचन हुआ उस विशेष परिशिष्ट का, जिसमें द साउथ एशियन टाइम्स ने कुछ 8-16 पृष्ठ विशेष रूप से शिरडी बाबा को समर्पित किए हैं, उसका विमोचन हुआ। और साथ में कौंसल जनरल भारत के जो न्यूयॉर्क में हैं रणधीर जायसवाल जी, उनकी उपस्थिति भी यहाँ रही। और डॉक्टर गद्दम रेड्डी जो कम्युनिटी लीडर होने के साथ साथ श्रद्धालु हैं, हिंदू टेम्पल में भी आपकी विशेष सेवाएं रही हैं, उनकी उपस्थिति का भी लाभ मिला। और एक पूरा पारिवारिक वातावरण आनंदमय, श्रद्धामय, उल्लासमय 20th एनिवर्सरी सेलिब्रेशन साई मंदिर बालविन के इस रिपोर्ट को आप तक पहुंचाने में जहां सचमुच बाबा की कृपा है, वहीं मेरे साथी कैमरामैन कृपा रंजन प्रसाद इसमें मेरे साथ रहे। ITV गोल्ड के लिए मैं अशोक व्यास।